Connecting Azure DevOps with Visual Studio Code allows you to manage your projects and repositories seamlessly. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install extensions. Open extensions in VS Code. Click on the extensions icon in the activity bar or press Ctrl+Shift+X. Install Azure Repos extension. Search for and install the Azure Repos extension. Install Git. If you use Git, ensure it's installed on your system and integrated with VS Code. Clone the repository. Copy repository URL. Log into Azure DevOps, navigate to your project, and find the repository. Copy its clone URL. Clone in VS Code. Open VS Code, press Ctrl+Shift+P and select Git Clone. Paste the repository URL and choose a local folder. Authenticate. Sign into Azure DevOps. If prompted, authenticate using your Azure DevOps credentials or personal access token. Configure Git Credential Manager. This ensures secure and seamless authentication. Start working. Open the folder. Open the clone repository folder in VS Code. Commit and push changes. Use the Source Control tab to stage, commit, and push updates to Azure DevOps.